You are looking to step away from your W-2 job and get full-time into real estate. There's a transition there that a lot of people, well, they just mess up. So today I'm gonna go through some things that you really need to take into consideration before you just drop your W-2 job and go full-time into real estate. Let's start with the fact that you are a smart person. And because you're a smart person, you know that real estate, well, it fluctuates. It goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down. And if you're not holding a W-2 job and you're going full-time into real estate, guess what may also fluctuate? Your paycheck. Your paycheck. So if you are somebody that needs consistency and you're thinking about getting into real estate, this is something that you truly need to take into account. And I know I am so about betting on myself that I am going to succeed, but there is a huge dose of reality that you also have to take into account. So step one, realize that the real estate market goes up and down, and your paycheck is probably never going to be steady. So did you know that the average real estate agent, licensed agent, doesn't start making money until 6 months into their career? Right there is a good reason why you should probably maintain your W-2 while getting your license, while learning real estate. Yes, it may even take you more than 6 months to start earning money, but do you really want to go unfed for 6 months? So that is a real life number that is out there. It takes typically 6 months for the new real estate agent to earn any money. Furthermore, making consistent money takes about a year. And for you to actually make a profit, well, that takes about 18 months. So you can see that quitting your W-2 job and going right into real estate probably isn't the smartest thing. I did this. I went from a W-2 job of making about $130,000. And yes, I wanted to bank on myself, but to walk away from a career that was making me that much money, there's a way to do that. I started to pull back a little bit at my W-2 job, so I had a little bit more time to invest in real estate while building your clientele, knowledge base, education, learning everything that you need to know about real estate and start offsetting that income. So what I'm trying to say is I am probably one of the most optimistic people you will ever meet. I like betting on myself, but even I took it a little slow in the beginning and I kind of weaned myself off of that W-2 job to make sure that I could get myself to a steady income. Not only are you going to maintain your W-2 job while transitioning yourself nicely into real estate, but you're also going to save some money. Okay, save some money because of the first bullet point that I told you about 5 minutes ago, which is real estate ebbs and flows. And you can have some great months followed by some really harsh months in which you're going to want to have reserves to dip into so that you're not stressing out in life. So make sure that you are saving now while you can before getting into real estate. And I know that you're going to be successful. I'm not saying that you're not going to be successful. I just want you to be smart as well. To end this video off, I want to give you 5 bullet points. So here are 5 bullet points on how you can expedite those timelines. Remember we talked about 6 months, no money, 1 year making some good money, 18 months to get you making some profit. Well, here are 5 bullet points on how to expedite those timelines. Real estate is not something that's just turn and burn. It is something that you're going to have to put time into. I've got a lot of videos that I've created based on making relationships. I can't just go into a meeting, talk to somebody for one time and get $1 million listing. It typically doesn't work like that. Real estate is going to be based on relationships. You're going to have to put in hours and hours and hours of building relationships, meeting people, shaking hands, etc. So expect the long hours. Number 2, market the heck out of yourself. And no, I'm not telling you to go dump $1 million in postcards and flyers. I'm telling you, pick up your phone, turn it around, start doing videos, let everybody that you know that you are doing real estate, market yourself as a real estate professional. Social media is absolutely free and it's gonna be the fastest way to touch a large audience in a short amount of time. Number 3, set goals. I am such a visual person. I always have goals in writing in front of my face. If you want to go and make 10 new relationships that week and you want to market yourself X amount of times on social media, make those goals. I promise you, by showing up to events, shaking hands, doing the social media posts, you will get business, but you're gonna have to figure out those goals and then figure out how to execute those goals in a timely manner. fourth bullet point is finding a team. This is so huge. So many people think that they can just get into real estate and just make it and just be that top dog. I am not saying that you can't do that. I'm not saying that many people haven't done that. I would highly suggest, we're talking about expediting your timeline, right? Don't reinvent the wheel. Get yourself on a successful real estate team and learn from them as much as humanly possible. So find yourself a team. Fifth, and my last bullet point for you to expedite your success, is to become the expert in your area. You need to be absorbing as much information as humanly possible. You need to be going to the classes. Yes, you may not be actually earning a check from that class, but the knowledge that you take away will then just reiterate that you are the expert that people want to contact when buying or selling a property. I hope this video was extremely beneficial. I wanted to not only give you an idea of realisticness from walking away from your W-2 to a super successful career as a real estate agent, but even bullet points on how to succeed faster than the average real estate agent. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Remember to do the like, the subscribe, the comments, do all the things, please, because this takes a lot of time and I'm trying to help you, so help me. Thank you. At the end of the day, who's your homegirl? I'm your homegirl.